we go for solo. Clear to the left, clear to the right. Franklin County traffic, Cessna 11554 on Alpha, departing runway 1, remaining in the pattern for stop and goes. Franklin County traffic. Flaps are up. Mixture full, carb heat cold. Trim set for takeoff. Oil pressure is good. Ammeter's positive. Let's rock and roll. Franklin County traffic, Cessna 11554, turning left crosswind, runway 1, Franklin County. Beam the numbers, we're going to go carb heat on, drop our RPM back to 1700, we're going to put 10 degrees of flaps, 1, 2, 3, 4, perfect, and we're descending at a nice little 300, 400 feet per minute at 80 miles an hour, which is right on the money. And the airport's back behind me, so we're going to make a turn to base. Franklin County traffic, Cessna 11554, turning left base, runway 1 for full stop landing, Franklin County traffic. Airspeed's alive at 80. I'm right on the money.
So he's trying to decide, is his altitude good? Is his airspeed good?
Runway is made, power to idle. Franklin County traffic, Cessna 11554, back taxiing runway 1. Going to depart runway 1 and remain in the pattern, Franklin County traffic.
So what he's doing now, because he has to do 3 landings and 3 takeoffs. So he's going to back taxi. Now whether or not he gets off the runway, it's up to him. I told him it's his decision. So he can either stay on the runway and back taxi to the end, or he can get off the runway and go to the end. Either way is legal. Okay, what he's doing right now, he's going to sit at the end of the runway. If he does everything I told him to do, he's going to raise the flaps, get rid of the carb heat, make sure that the oil pressure is good, and then when he believes everything is ready, good to go, he'll take off.
Flaps up, carb heat cold. Oil pressure good, ammeter positive. Flaps up all the way. Let's rock and roll.
There goes the flaps, he just raised them up. So he's done everything perfect. So now all he's got to do is take off. So when he gets to 60 miles an hour, is when he lifts up on the nose and the airplane gets up off the ground.
We got some Frenchies over the border in Canada who are on the radio, and I have no idea what they're saying. All right, altitude looks good, everything looks good. Franklin County traffic, Cessna 11554 on final for full stop landing, Franklin County traffic. Franklin County traffic, Cessna 11554, back taxiing runway 1. We're going to do one more departure on runway 1, staying in the pattern for a full stop landing.
So his flaps are still down, which is what I wanted. It's like when your airplane is in motion, you don't want to be looking inside the cockpit to move any kind of levers or whatever. If the airplane's in motion, look outside. Make sure you don't taxi off the runway. So the flaps are now up. He turns the carb heat off. And then he's probably taking the last couple of seconds to go, yep, I'm ready to go. There he goes. When he hits 60 miles an hour, he'll pull up. There he goes. He's flying. Perfect. Perfect takeoff. Great landings, perfect takeoff.
Franklin County traffic, Cessna 11554, departing runway 1, remaining in the pattern. Franklin County traffic 11554, back taxiing runway 1, going to be exiting on Charlie. Franklin County traffic 11554, clear the runway on Charlie. Franklin County traffic.